So this video will be an unboxing of my new baby. This is my new bag, a new addition to my LV bag collection. I'm addicted. I'm addicted to LV. Yeah, I am. And I just wanted to show you what I got. Now, this is not going to be like a dupe or anything. This is authentic. And it is real. All my bags are real. And I just wanted to unbox and give you that experience so that if you do want to purchase an LV bag, or you'd like to purchase a luxury bag or anything from LV, you know exactly what to expect. So, of course, you got the bag. Bow tie that you would see wrapped around the box before you can open it. It always falls off, and I never know how to put it back on, so I couldn't really fake it. Okay, I couldn't really fake it. I already opened it. Anywho, you would get as well. You would get, oh dang, this is all bent out. You would get a receipt, and this is how it comes. And then, of course, the receipt would have all the information on it of the bag and the purchase and stuff like that. I'm not showing my business. See, and that's how it look. I don't know if you can focus it. Focus on it. I don't know if you'll focus it. And that's how it look. I don't know if you can see it, but. And it would come in this little envelope thingy. It's all bent up because it was in the bag, in the box, but in the bag. And so we open the bag here. I mean the box, and the bag would be, and this is a pretty sturdy box here. It would be in this box, and it would have a dust bag that comes with it. Okay, and then so we're putting the box down. And this is the dust bag here. And now to reveal my brand new bag. Okay. Oh. It was a little bent. It was bent. This is my new baby. Yikes. It is like bent up like crazy. Oh, let me fix it. And oh, did I bend it? Okay, I'm never doing that again. I opened it. When I opened it, I tried to put it back in the box so that it would lay flat, and I tried to like squish it up or whatever, but that was probably a bad idea. I mean, the leather is very soft. It's not like any of my other LV bags. My other LV bags have that structured leather. Let me show you. One of my other ones, and this is like structured leather. I do have the Graceful. Now the Graceful is a more softer leather, and it's more, this reminds me of like the Graceful that I have. And this is, I believe it's called the Leamington. I hope I'm pronouncing it right. And this is the Macintosh. I could be butchering the names of these bags, but this bag is, I believe this is the last in the US as of right now. I'm not sure, but matter of fact, let me just do some research real quick. Alright, so this is the Montaigne MM and I believe I was absolutely correct. This is the last one in the US, and I ended up buying it. I mean, I was lucky. I came on the day and I got this. So Montige MM, and that's the first bag I fell in love with from LV. I have a couple more hanging up, like, I mean, not hanging up, but they're on my shelves and stuff. But you know, the whole luxury bag collection, that'll be for another day. Right now I just want to do the unboxing of the Leamington. And so this bag comes with these cute little tassels right here that I haven't taken off yet. This is more of so they're monogram. So the Montige, the monogram, this is more for like the winter. These type of prints are more for like the winter, and these type of prints are more for like the summer. This, I would say this type of leather is more durable than this. Not to say that it's not good quality. They're both very good quality. The only thing is that this is a lighter leather. So if you get anything on it, or if you happen to scrape it, scratch it, or anything like that, you'll definitely be able to tell. You'll definitely be able to tell with this type of leather compared to this leather. This is durable. I could probably throw it and it'll be fine. That's why I love the darker leather, these type of the monogram. Any other darker leathers I like, but I decided to go outside the box, and this is actually the first bag that I purchased that is basically their summer leather. I'm gonna call it their summer leather collection, and this is the first bag. And I decided to go ahead and do something a little bit different and get this. So I'm scooting a little bit closer so I can show you the inside of the bag. So it comes with 2 zippers right here, really pretty. And then on the inside, of course, it is pink. Okay, sorry, someone called me. But yes, so the inside is nice, a pretty nice pink color. And it comes with, of course, a strap right here. This is the strap. And this strap just, you know, goes like this on the bag. I might, oh, I put it the wrong way. I might not, oh, it rotates. That's sweet. Okay, so I didn't put it the wrong way. So, got this right here. And you can wear it like this. Let me show you how it would look. So this is how it would look. I mean, you don't get the full picture, but you get it. Like, you get how it would look on me. This is how it would look. Back a little bit. It would look like that. If I was to wear it like that, or put it across my, like this, cross body, then this is how it would look. Isn't this cute? I probably would never wear it like that though. I'm most likely always gonna wear it like this. And I could actually throw it over my shoulder. Shoulder like this. And I can wear it like this. And this is super cute. Super cute. It reminds me of like maybe a Neverfull, but not a Neverfull. And the details on the side. This is how it looks on the side. It's really cute. It like folds over. Like it's like it's almost not almost, it's not as big as a Neverfull, but it kind of reminds me of a Neverfull and a Speedy kind of, because it gives you that, like, it has a shape to it, but it also has like a bunch of space to it. Like, there's a lot of space in here. It's a decent sized bag. It's not a huge bag, but it's a decent sized bag. It's big on me because I'm a small little young thing, about 5 feet. So everything's kind of big on me. But this, I fell in love with this bag because I was told that it's not really sold in stores. I'm not too sure about how true that is, but the lady was telling me that it's just not, it's just hard to come by. And I like exclusivity. I like exclusive things. I like things that not everybody's wearing. I like things that I can go outside and feel good about walking around with, because I know I'm not gonna see like 5 people or 10 people or 3 people with it on. So, you know, and the Neverfull was not that bag. The Neverfull, like the Neverfull, it's cute, it's tote, whatever, but it's not my style. Everybody got it. Everybody and their mama got it, whether it's real or fake. But yeah, so I ended up getting this bag. I'm gonna do a whole 360 view. It's really cute, and then the details on the bottom is the same exact details as my other bag right here. It's the same exact detail. That's really pretty. And yes, so this is a cute summer bag. I might even wear it in the winter. I don't care. Like, ain't nobody gonna tell me when to wear a bag. Like, not gonna happen. This is really cute. Like, I'm so in love with it. I don't know what I'm gonna put in it, to be honest. Yeah, I don't know what I'm gonna put in it, because I don't have a lot of stuff that I put in my bag unless it's like lip gloss or like compact mirrors, perfume, maybe some business cards. So I don't have much to put in it, but I love it, and yeah, I'm gonna definitely enjoy this one in my collection. This one's definitely gonna be very loved and very well cared for, because it's a bit more delicate than the other ones. So I'll definitely be a lot more careful with this bag, seeing that it can stain and stuff like that, because it's a lighter leather. But yes, I'm in love with the inside. The pink interior is just to die for. I love it. And yes, I mean, this is my new addition to my LV bag collection. So you guys should stay tuned for maybe another bag unboxing, because I'm addicted to bags. I love bags, and I'm always getting bags. So stay tuned. You guys should stay tuned. Ooh. You guys should stay tuned for my next unboxing. If I do have a next unboxing, who knows, I might show you my entire luxury bag collection. That's going to be a big collection. That's gonna be a lot of bags, but I mean, hey, if this is what you guys want to see, if this is what you guys like, let me know, and I'll do more of these, because I have plenty of other bags, plenty more to review, and maybe not unbox, but like to show you guys. So let me know what you guys think. Comment, like, subscribe, or dislike, but don't forget to hit the thumbs up, like it, And don't forget to subscribe. And thank you guys for watching me, and thank you for all your support. Love you guys. Bye.